Yeah, credit cards, okay? Revolving debt, the definition of revolving debt just means you're given $1,000 to use. You could use all 1,000 of it. When you pay it back, you got that 1,000 all over again. Think about revolving like a cycle, okay? That's the idea. And who can tell me why it's 30% of your FICO score? Why is that so important to bankers that you can handle revolving debt?
Like your debt to credit ratio.
Yeah, because they're looking at the ratio of the credit, the revolving credit. If you have $1,000 credit card and you're always maxed out, what does that show the lender? You're living off credit, right? I mean, you need it. You depend on that for your livelihood, or for your life, So they don't like that. It's kind of this catch-22. You come in and you want to borrow money, but they don't want you to need the money. They want you to borrow the money but not because you need it. You're desperate. They don't like that, So it's your catch-22. Yes.